Hello there, and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload 000webhost website for free. You'll simply go to 000webhost.com, and that link is available in the description of this video. And then down here, you'll notice we have the free web hosting that gives you one free web. And then we have this other single shared hosting, and then we have the premium web hosting and the business web hosting. In this tutorial, we are going to be using the free one, which simply gives you one free website to create. So to use that, you are going to come down here under the free web hosting, you click on sign up, and then you fill in these details, your email, your password, and then you repeat the password, then you click on sign up, and that will bring you here. So this is the panel onboarding for 000webhost. So to host your website here, you simply scroll down here and then you click on start now. You can close this one. So you click down here on start now, and then you can put your website name here, and this is auto-generated if empty. So we can put our website there, and then we put a password here, and then we repeat the password, and then you click on create. You notice now we have two options. How do you prefer to tackle your website creation? We have the first one where you can install WordPress, and this is the most popular CMS platform to build your website through the WordPress. You can also upload your site, and you can transfer your existing website to your hosting. To upload it directly here, you click on select, and then you are now able to upload your website from the files that you have downloaded from the source code that you have downloaded from your website, so that now it can be hosted for free on a 000webhost. So this is where now you upload it. You click on the public HTML here, then you can simply upload your file here. It's simply to click on manage here, and now we can now upload it directly from the WordPress here. So to do that, you click on WordPress, and then you can add a username here, and then the admin password here. So we are going to retain the username as admin, and then the password, we put the password here. Then you can select the language here. I'll keep it as English, and then you click on install, and this will install WordPress on 000webhost.com. And now our website has been created. So we are going to click at the top here, Josh Kenya 2. We click on that. And you now notice we are on the webhostapp.com. And the blog and the recent post here, all these are from WordPress. So now for us to log into our WordPress through the web host, we are going to simply come at the top here. We can even decide to just open a new tab. We can copy paste all this. We can copy that. Then on a new tab, we can paste the whole of that. Then we add, after our web host name, that is the georgekenya.webhost.com, we add WordPress, that is WP hyphen or a dash admin. And this will be helping us to log in to our WordPress. So you click on search, and now it brings us here. You still notice at the top here, we are still on the new website we have just created. So the username, just like we had done, was admin, and then we put our password here, and then we now click on log in. And now here, we are on our admin side of the web host that we have just uploaded. Now, when we are here, we can change everything we want to change about our website. You notice on the top left-hand side, we have the dashboard for our website. And then we have the posts. This is where you can create a new post. If not, I click on posts. I can then click on add a new post. And you notice now I'm able to add a new post here. I can just click on next, next, next. Then I click on get started. Then I can add the title of my post here. Welcome to my website. Then I can type here. I can now type the details that I want down here. And of course, I can type slash in order to get all this, whether it's an image I want to insert, gallery, a list, or even a quote, whatever it is that I want to add, I just click on that. So you notice I can now do everything I want for my website here. I want to add an image, I can just do that and just add gallery, then upload, and then I can go to my PC. I can upload what I need to upload. Maybe I can upload that image there. So there we have it. So you notice now I can deal with my website here. I can add titles. I can add text on this side. So that's what you can do. If now I'm ready to publish my website, I can click on publish. Then I can now change my details here, visibility, the publish when I want to publish it, all the tags. I can edit the tags down here. I can add texts down here if I need to. So this is where now I can work on my website, the one I have just uploaded on webhost. And just to show you a few more things here, if I click on back, so on the web host, here is where you can now adjust so many things about your website. For instance, under tools, if you click on tools, you can set the web address. If you click on set web address, you can get a new domain, or you can connect a domain where you can point a domain to 000webhost name servers. So you can also do your file manager, and this is where now you can upload data for your website. You notice we can upload all the data we need here for the public HTML. We can upload it there. And then you can also view your email here. This is the email manager. And this is where you can create a forwarder, and an email forwarder helps redirect your packed domain emails to your desired mailbox. Then down here, you can also change your settings for the website in terms of the general settings. Where you can change your FTP transfer, that is the file transfer protocol. You can change all these. You can also change your username here. You can change your password down here. So this way you can do all that. Then for logs, you can come, if you want to see the logs here, this is how you can see all the logs of your website, plus the time and when everything happened. You notice at this time I installed a WordPress, this time created a WordPress database. So this is where you can get all the logs for your website, and you're able to know what is happening to your website. Finally, you can also back up down here. This way you can back up your website. So this is where you can now back up your website. You notice you can choose a plan, premium hosting, or even business hosting, and then you can now continue with payment down here, so that you can now back up. And then once you are now satisfied with everything that you have adjusted on your website, you simply come and click at the top here on publish, and then your website will be published. You can also preview your website here, either on a tablet, mobile, or even on the desktop. And that is simply how you can host your website for free on 000webhost.com. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.